So, the day I got a package in, the reason I'm doing the unboxing is I know what it's going to be because it's got my company name on it. It's the only thing I've ordered recently. Here to DEP Auto Care Limited, which was to me, I only know this is one thing because it's only one thing that I've ordered. Do I look? Do you really want to look? Right guys, yeah, so I got some Rag Company Eagle Edgeless 365s and some Rag Company Whooping Glass microfiber towels. Got them in the UK from the UK Distributor from a company called Clean and Shiny. They're based in Aldershot, down south from where I am. Now I only ordered these 3-4 days ago. Because of COVID-19, it's taken a wee bit longer for stuff to come anyway, but they do offer next day delivery. I need to add, this video is not sponsored by Clean and Shiny, by the way. It's not sponsored by Clean and Shiny at all. So, I got 3 365 Edgeless and 2 glass whipping towels. We'll go into those in a wee minute. I'll show you the specs on them in a minute. But I just wanted to show you all this other stuff, because I found something else in the bag. Ready? Haribos. It is always so nice to get a wee thank you off a company for spending money with them, no matter how small. That's going to make me order from them again. Just the Haribos on their own. Pocket. So, thank you card, always good. Thank you very much, Clean and Shiny, much appreciated. So let's get into these towels. This is a 12x16 glass whipping microfiber towel. Reason I went for it, apart from its glass cleaning capabilities, which is well known, the Rag Company, is this. The Terry Towel Corner Scrubber. I'm hoping it makes life a hell of a lot easier for getting into the corners when you're getting in. I'm hoping that's the thing. We'll do a video on that a later date. Doing a wee run through of how the towel works, and we'll see if it works. That kind of stuff. So that's the glass whipping towels. Self-explanatory really. Next is the Eagle Edgeless 365 general purpose microfiber towel 16x16. General microfiber towel. It's meant to be good for taking off polishes, waxes, general buffing up. I wouldn't say it's a good drying towel, it's not plush enough for the drying towel. But again, we'll get into a video with that, just to see how they work out, how they work. Now, another main reason why I bought them was being a mobile valeter, mobile detailer, you need to have half decent equipment. Not the best in the world, doesn't have to be, but it has to be half decent equipment. So I was looking for a UK distributor of Rag Company stuff. Went on the Rag Company website, which sent me to this website. Now, 5 towels, 3 365 Edgeless, 2 glass whipping towels, and next day delivery. Even though it took a wee bit longer because of COVID-19, but that's self-explanatory, I'm not worried about that. With delivery, look at this guys, £14.60. £14.60 for 5 Rag Company microfiber towels. I don't see anywhere that could beat that. If you know anywhere, let me know. But because of the thank you card, because of the Haribos, because of the quick delivery, because of the emails that I've had explaining what's happening and how far along we are, I think personally, Clean and Shiny down in Aldershot are the way to go for me. That's for definite. So you might wonder, by the way, why I've got all this my Titan sitting here and get bottles and bottles and bottles of stuff. Rapid detailer. It's all in my garage. Plastic and rubber wax. Light glaze. Boxes and tubs of this. My van was in getting some work done on it the last few days. I got it back this morning, so I can get everything back in the van this afternoon. But we'll get there eventually. We'll get there. It's a nice sunny day. So that's the 365 towels. Go along to Clean and Shiny. See if I can get the website for you. clean&shiney.co.uk. www.cleanandshiny.co.uk. Get on there, get yourself some Rag Company microfiber towels. I can't see how they can be beaten, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe. Please like the videos. Because of COVID-19, I'm kind of locked down in Scotland now. Doing as many as I can just to get them out. Just to keep you entertained, really. Hopefully I'm trying. I'm better behind the camera, not in front of the camera. This is only my first week of doing this, so properly anyway. Well, thank you very much, guys. Enjoy the rest of your days. If you can, enjoy lockdown. Stay safe, stay home, protect the NHS, and I'll see you guys very, very shortly.